This is the rules section. The editor has access to, edit post, add post, and so many on. So this is the rules section where you can assign. You can make someone an admin, you can make someone a contributor, an editor, a subscriber, an author, and so many on. Now let's go to the tools. In tools, you will find various, utilities like import, export, features, and then the site health. Sometimes you want to check, is my site really appearing on SEO? I mean, when people type in on the social media, what did I even say, social media? Google or web browser, does it come up? Mind you, we are doing everything offline, so they can't see it online. But if you're doing it online, this is where the tools come in. It comes in. So you just click on your site health, and then it gives you, a quick help. I mean, it looks like some quick checks on it for you. Now let's go to the settings, which is the last thing. In this section, you can actually configure general settings to your site, including the site title, the email, the time zone, the permalink, so many on and so forth. So this is where you can come, and then you can change your site name. Okay, you can change your site name. You can add a tagline, or let's say a slogan. You can add your site icon. Site icon is basically this one. You see this small thing we see right here? That is the site icon. We normally call it favicon or favicon, Favicon, favicon or favicon. So that is it. And remember, when we were installing the WordPress, we used learnwithamanda@gmail.com. So this is what it has done it for us. Okay, so by default, it says new user default. Automatically, if someone sign up or create an account with your website, from your website, they get the role as a subscriber. So they can't edit, they can't do anything. What they can do is they can get feeds from you, like you design posts and everything. They can get the feeds from you. So that is what the entire thing is all about. So in conclusion, you have it. You have everything. You have everything. You have successfully installed your WordPress offline using the XAMPP and got some tour of the WordPress dashboard. Now you are ready to start creating an amazing website locally before going to live. Mind you, I told you you can, check on this with or without the internet. So if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate your time, and just put in the comment section any question that you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.